Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by putting the drivetrain under minimal tension. Shift to the smallest chainring and smallest rear cog so the chain is loose. Next, locate the master link. If none, plan to remove a pin with a chain tool. Lay out your tools: chain tool, replacement chain, or quick link, gloves, rag within reach. Once ready, break the chain at a rivet or open the master link. Make sure you push the pin only far enough to release the plate, not fully through. You now take the chain off and size the replacement. Feed the chain through the derailleur pulleys so it runs exactly where it will ride. To set length, wrap chain around the largest chainring and largest rear cog. Do not route through the derailleur and add 2 full links. This ensures proper tension. If reusing, count links from the old chain. Once sized, use the chain tool to remove excess links, pause to ensure plates align, and gently flex to free any stiff links before reconnecting. You finish by reconnecting the chain with a quick link or a pressed pin. If using a quick link, insert both halves and pull the drivetrain tight to snap it into place, or press the pin until it sits flush without protruding. Once done, spin the cranks and shift through all gears slowly. Make sure the derailleur tracks smoothly and the chain tension is correct. If you hear skipping, recheck link length, lube the chain, and confirm the quick link is fully seated. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.